Hi guys, today in my video, I just wanna show you how I cook spaghetti. So it tastes like Jollibee spaghetti. So please stay with me as I teaching you how to cook spaghetti or Jollibee spaghetti, my own version. First, you have to put oil and heat it, and then put the garlic. Okay, and then next to garlic is onion. Just mix it. After onion, means beef or corned beef if you want, but I prefer to put minced beef. And then soy sauce. Just mix it. Halo, halo, halo. And then the hot dog or sausage. Just mix it until all ingredients are cooked. After that, just add tomato sauce, or if you want spaghetti sauce. Okay, mix it again. And then I'm just putting here condensed milk. It depends on your taste how much you will put condensed milk. So it's boiling now and it's nearly cooked. Next is we will cook pasta. So I added water, oil and salt until it's boiled. So I just added the pasta. Okay, just little bit mix it so that the pasta will not become sticky. Just simmer 10 to 15 minutes until the pasta is cooked. So it's ready and we can charan. So this is the product of my recipe for today. So Jollibee spaghetti is ready. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me on this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.